Hello everyone, thank you for accepting my abstract so I could present our work today. My name is Imane Naboulsi. I'm PhD student at Mohamed VI Polytechnic University and Faculty of Sciences Ain Shoukh Casablanca, and this work is a part of my thesis supervised by Dr. Reda Abdelaziz and Professor Aboulmouhajir Aziz. So the title of this presentation is The Biostimulation Effects of C-oxyacantha extract to enhance salt stress in tomato plants. For the context of this presentation, I will begin by introducing the biostimulants and their action on plants. We will have an idea about the impact of salinity on plants and how that biostimulants improve plant growth under those conditions. Generalities about the plant used as a biostimulant candidate in this study, which is C-oxyacantha. In the second time, I will explain the hypothesis of our work, our result, and last but not least, all the conclusions that we found. So, currently, one of the biggest challenges for agriculture today is the development of sustainable systems to feed the growing population. So, to achieve this, there is a need not only to increase crop yield, but also to protect what we produce currently. Biostimulants is an eco-sustainable product that can be used by farmers to achieve this objective. At the moment, there is not a global definition of biostimulants. However, several organizations and researchers define biostimulants as a sustainable or substance from natural resources which can stimulate directly or indirectly plant growth, vigor, and also crop yield through the different mechanisms from conventional fertilizers and under different environment conditions. Those natural sources could be plant extracts, seaweeds, microorganisms, and also inorganic elements such as silicon. We can apply biostimulants at different stages of plant growth and with different modes, such as foliar application, soil drenching, and also at seed level by pre-soaking or coating those seeds, for example. All that to improve crop yield and quality, stimulate plant metabolism, promote nutrient uptake, enhance soil microbial activity, and also protect against biotic and abiotic stresses. And currently, one of the main and several abiotic stresses is salinity, which has a harmful impact on agriculture, and especially in the semi-arid to arid regions such as Morocco. Under certain conditions, we observe a decrease in plant growth, leaf area, plant reproduction, nutrient uptake, and also a reduction in enzymatic activity. However, we can see an increase in ionic accumulation in the soil and also the plant. On the other hand, recently biostimulants were defined as a bioprotectant element that promotes plant growth and also improve and protect plants under saline conditions. Depending on the biostimulant, they can inhibit osmotic and oxidation stress, balance the water uptake, increase chlorophyll content, and also enhance nutrient uptake. In this study, we used the plant C-oxyacantha, which is a medicinal plant from the rose family. The common name in Morocco is Zarour, and the main pharmacological properties are antioxidant, cardiovascular, hypolipidemic, and also antibacterial properties. In this study, we used just the mature fruits of the tree collected from the region of Teza in the season 2020-2021. For the hypothesis of our work, we suggest that some secondary metabolites present in the extracts of C-oxyacantha extracts could be agri-usable as a biostimulant to enhance salt stress in tomato plants. According to several studies and or several chemical characterization studies of the plants of this plant especially collected from non-African countries, they found that the main The main compounds are flavonoid, carboxylic acid, and also oligomeric compound. And all these molecules have positive impacts on the plant growth in general. So how we try to improve our hypothesis? First of all, I said before, we collect the berries, then we did a water extraction or distillation, then we apply the different concentrations of our extract under greenhouse conditions with the presence of NaCl stress on tomato plants. We use in this study tomato plants as a model, as a plant model. So after 4 weeks from the first application of our treatment, we analyze the response of plants, some physiological and biochemical parameters, as well as antioxidant enzymes activities. So the results will be discussed on Saturday, 21 May 2022 in the season 1 of Geography and Environment Sciences Conference. And thank you for your attention.